Hey everyone, Patrick Hughes with a chart on Microsoft for the weekly, and we have it shown from where the close to the 2000 high here, where you start to see the dot-com bust, and you can see what a big decline we had here. Then you have it tries to attempt to rally, breaks back down, tries to make a new low, and then it goes through this, distribution phase or accumulation phase, depending on how you're looking at it. They're trying to rally it, but it still breaks down a little bit. As you can see, it takes the final plunge here. Now, what's interesting on this chart is that you could see that I took the liberty of drawing some trend lines here on the weekly here, and you can see how it has really played a role on many of the price movements here, even if you get the violation. Now, a lot of times when people draw these trend lines, just because they violate them, they forget and they don't extend them out, and they don't, go very long term with them, and you'd be surprised how powerful that is and how helpful it'll be. Here, if you draw this out, you see them both coming to a head right near the present price range here, stating that, to me, that there could be a possibility that we could be overextended on Microsoft, maybe to 31, 32 range, and we could maybe be seeing a little pullback here, or at least a move to the downside. It has had a very good move from the initial move, and now you're seeing it pretty high back up on the retracement here. So we're going to see some, I think, from the past, you have some resistance there. I do think that it's very likely you could start to see this get a little toppy, or at least you could be saying to yourself, the risk is starting to outweigh the potential for this to get to the upside. That doesn't mean it can. It just means that the likelihood of it trying to at least go through a corrective move is much more probable. And, that could be happening relatively soon. I'm thinking could be near the 15th of January. I'm seeing this start to move a little sooner. I think it's very, very close to having two different turns here, and I'm thinking, January 15th. Then you have the mid in February, say February 16th or around there. I would be watching for something also. Anyway, that's it for Microsoft. So you should become a member now here. This way you could follow our stock picks with our daily technical analysis and let us show you the next breakout stock. I'm going to be with you every step of the way. We're going to make trading easy. Sign up now. Find out our next breakout stock. Happy trading.